Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is the dancing popcorn experiment. And to do this science activity, you will need only a few materials found around your house. The link to finding the directions and materials will be in the show notes to my Pinterest board. And here is what you will need. You will need a clear container. You will need some water, some baking soda, a spoon, a small spill tray to place underneath, some corn kernels, and some white distilled vinegar. Here is how we proceed to do the experiment. You're going to pour some water into the clear container and then add a bit of baking soda. Mix it with the spoon. Next, slowly add some distilled vinegar. When the vinegar goes in, you're going to notice that the kernels are going to start moving. The reaction of the baking soda and the vinegar creates fizz and bubbles. The corn kernels float to the top, and then they start to move around and appear to be dancing. So with this experiment, you're going to have children learn to develop patience and wait to see the reaction. They're going to be doing problem solving, guessing as to what is causing those kernels to dance around. They're going to learn some basic science, and they will have fun in the process. Hope you've had fun with this experiment, and if you did, please do click subscribe to get new teaching lessons in all different subjects every Friday. If you want even more resources to educate your family, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until next time, bye.